Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, today we're diving into Unraid versus Proxmox. Which one should you use in 2025? First on, let's look at Unraid. Unraid is a popular for those who want an easy to use NAS and media server solution. It's known for its straightforward interface and flexible storage options. You can mix and match drives without worrying about complex RAID setups. Plus, Unraid supports Docker and virtual machines, make it great for home labs or small servers. On the other hand, Proxmox. Proxmox is a full-featured open-source virtualization platform. It's perfect if you want powerful VM and container management with features like live migration, high availability, and DFS support. Proxmox is highly customizable, but it comes with a steeper learning curve. It's favored by pros who needed advanced control over their virtual environments. If you're looking for simplicity and ease of use, especially for media streaming and storage, Unraid is a solid pick. But if you need a robust virtualization with enterprise level features and don't mind a bit of setup work, Proxmox shines. Both platforms have active communities and receive updates regularly, so your choice comes down to what fits your specific needs and comfort level. That's it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe for more tech and comparison and guides.